Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the Fairlife Nutrition Plan 30 grams Vanilla Protein Shake.
Known for its quality and taste, this protein shake stands out among its competitors.
Stick around as we uncover everything you need to know about this top-notch product.
The Fairlife Nutrition Plan 30 grams Vanilla Protein Shake is designed to provide a delicious and convenient way to meet your protein needs.
Each shake delivers a substantial 30 grams of protein per serving, making it ideal for fitness enthusiasts, athletes, or anyone looking to maintain a balanced diet with high-quality nutrition. Formulated with a focus on quality ingredients, this shake is kosher certified and free from artificial growth hormones, making it a preferred choice for those conscious about what goes into their bodies. The blend includes essential nutrients to support muscle recovery and overall wellness. Packaged in a convenient 8-pack, each shake is ready to drink and perfect for on-the-go consumption. Whether you're hitting the gym, heading to work, or simply need a quick post-workout refuel, these shakes offer both portability and great taste without the hassle of preparation. Now, let's talk taste. The Fairlife Vanilla Protein Shake is praised for its smooth and creamy texture with a delightful vanilla flavor that isn't overpowering. It's refreshing and satisfying, making it enjoyable to incorporate into your daily routine without any chalky aftertaste. In conclusion, the Fairlife Nutrition Plan 30 grams Vanilla Protein Shake is undoubtedly a standout product in the protein shake market. Whether you're focused on fitness, maintaining a balanced diet, or simply seeking a delicious and nutritious snack, this shake delivers on all fronts. Available on Amazon, it's a must-try for anyone looking to elevate their protein intake with a product that truly delivers. That wraps up our review of the Fairlife Nutrition Plan 30 grams Vanilla Protein Shake. If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and insightful product analyses.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.